gear either. What the fuck?
What? That...
Just fucking let go, my son.
Huh.
Holy fuck!
Dirty!
Destruction!
Too much power.
What gear are you in currently?
I'm done, unfortunately.
Sell
Oh, I am in gear.
to Jacob.
Yeah.
Now she's broke. She's yours now.
She is in gear.
Thank God she's in gear. Yes, sir. Yes.
Wow.
I think it's awful.
That feels like it.
You need new shift. You need new shifter.
What the fuck did you just do?
I broke the shifter clean off. Anyway, she's in fourth gear. Oh no, she's not anymore. She
At
was.
least you can kind of change it.
Take the
Hang on. Oh yeah.
Holy fuck.
This is awesome.
You're gonna have fun getting it home. Let's see if you can bring up something.
I broke my shifter off.
Gotta get that on that. Show the camera.
Oh, for Christ's
I
sake!
broke my shifter.
Oh my God!
You really did.
Oh my God.
It's not connected anymore.
Holy
I gotta.
shit!
Anyways, it's still in gear. Hey, Dick. Dick,
What happened?
I broke my shifter off.
Holy shit!
It's in fourth gear right now. I was like, that shift felt weird, and then the next shift didn't do anything. I was like, oh.
Wow. That's not good.
We're not gonna need that where
You
we're
have a spare
going.
shifter or what?
I'll rig something up to get her home. Anyways, you had half a run.
I did.
Unless you just want to pull the cables while I'm driving for me. I'll just bring her here. That'll do.
I gotta
Awesome.
see how this is gonna turn out.
I got to take the console out now.
Do I need to move?
What?
Am I in the way?
Yeah, I'll need to get in there to get the bolts out.
I gotta watch this. Oh shit! Right.
Yeah, I snapped the bolt clean off.
Ew.
It's welded, huh? Oh, it's still recording. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See right here? That bolt goes in, or it was welded in there. And it snapped off. Awesome. I got an aftermarket shifter at home.